Good
morning, everyone. Today our group want to present about
our materi, about vernacular language, standard language, lingua franca, and others.
So, for my friends, Nelchi, time is yours.
Yeah, thank you. The first language variation describes the social reality through language. It means that is also representation in image of the different layers of social pyramids, which not only local people but their language variation as well. Variation of language. The term linguistic variation or simple variation refer to regional, social, or contextual difference in the ways the particular language in use. Variation in language used among speakers or groups of speakers is not able creation of things that may occur in pronunciation or word choice or even presentation of particular grammatical partner. Variation is principal cause in social linguistics. It has been discovered the variation in typical the precisely of linguistics. Vernacular language is a term used to refer to local language or dialect as distinct from what is seen as a standard language. In term vernacular may also be applied metaphorically to any culture product of lovers. Common order of society that is relative, influenced by the idea and of the encoded elite.
Thank you. Next.
standard language. Like the name, standard language is a variety of language that is used by government, in the media, in schools, and for international communication. Standardization occurs in spelling, pronunciation, word meaning, word form, sentence structure, conversation. So, next, for example, in Manggarai language, we have crying, tuang, amang, ite, tabe, kae. And for the sentence, tuang guru, tabe mane kutngonia tuang guru. Kai nyama iberite, tabe gula sanggetau kite ende emak.
Next. Lingua franca.
Lingua franca, it is a language which has developed in response to the need of the people, being using two different languages in everyday communication. For example, ceban, mbak, mas, cuan,
etc.
And next, pidgin language. A pidgin is a new language which develops in situations where speakers of different languages need to communicate but don't share a common language. And next, Creole language. When two pidgin language speakers marry and their children start learning pidgin as their first language and it becomes the mother tongue of community, it is called a Creole. For example, chia, ciu, chao, met,
etc.
And next, code mixing. Code mixing refers to the hybridization of two languages, where elements from one language are used while speaking another. Can involve various levels of language, such as phonology, morphology, grammatical structures, or lexical items. For example, A. Teman, BTW ngoni ame diange. B. Ame diang pergi healing ke Cuncak. A. MP, to dengan isu terbaru Meiko. And next, code switching. Code switching refers to the alternation between two or more languages or dialects within a single conversation. Can be used to accommodate the language spoken by the conversational partner, emphasize a part of the message, or raise the status of the speaker. For example, terima kasih Bapak, momang kita lakuite. Ngonde kita kulesoho,
Terlalu banyak tugas.
And next, my friends, next.
Thank you. Next, diglossia. Diglossia is a situation in which two distinct varieties of a language are used within the same speech community. For example, high variety, example, crying tuang guru. Low variety, how ia istemeu. Next, language attitude. Language attitude can have a significant impact on people's lives. For example, people with positive language attitudes towards their own language are more likely to be confident in their abilities and to pursue educational and career opportunities that require bilingualism. There are two main types of language attitude. For example, first, positive. The example, ite, crying, tuang. For the negative example, boros, tuntung, and etc. Last, implication. Based on this article that show the important role of language variation in English language teaching for the teacher, can explain the material based on the student's culture, and besides easy to understand for the material of the students, and it is also to give opportunity for the students to learn the culture and mostly use the language as the identity. For the students, there is a chance to have a good character, especially in their culture and language use. Through learn language variation, it is give the students knowledge about the culture, and in learning process, not only learn about the material, but the implementation in a society, especially the rules of the language used in a society. And then the last conclusion. In a society that formal and informal situation, then language variation, this may include language, dialects, register, styles or other forms of language, as well as a standard variety. The use of the word variety to refer to the different forms avoids the use of the term language, which many people associate only with the standard language, and the term dialect, which is often associated with non-standard varieties. Though of as less prestigious or correct than the standard. Language variation is considered as a consequence of the social change that occur within communities. It is including that the vernacular language, standard language, lingua franca, Creole and Pidgin language, diglossia, and language attitude. From some element in language variation show all the rules of the language used in a society. Learn language variation that to the young generation have a good character in understanding of using language. I think that's all of our group. Thank you.